side. So I am live with a trade that you can see over here in Dow. Market opens here, came down with the um, red candlesticks in a row, and it just made a spinning top pattern, which is a bullish pattern, and it's a reversal levels. Okay, so market can go upside. It's showing you some bearish signals. It shows you the market is weak over this point. Is this point of area, and this is not gonna happen. What market shows you, it's not follows that particular thing. Okay, market will go upside, and that's my guarantee. I'll stop making YouTube videos if market comes down and hit my stop loss. Just be just take a signature of mine and just see what happens in the market. Okay, this is my stop loss point. It's about 60 points, and the target is against 120, 130 points. Exactly over here you just see um price action level. So also it is our target level as per our extra reward, as per our price action level, as per our fib levels. Okay, just follow on the chart what is market doing, how market traps you, how market plays with you. There exactly here are some institution players who always takes your stop losses in the market, and then market moves. So exactly market is doing what market is collecting your stop losses, retailers, beginner traders stop losses, and market then it will go upside. So many people are getting into the trade and getting outside of the trade. Then the market movers, the institutional players, just collecting the liquidity in the market, and then market will go upside. That's my guarantee. Just take my signature over a blank paper. It's my guarantee. I'll stop making YouTube videos if market doesn't go to upside direction. Okay, it's my guarantee. Just look at the chart, what market will do. Now, if you understand the price action patterns, if you consider the price action patterns, what market also show you, market came down, went upside, again came down, and when market will again go and close above this level, it will also create a W pattern, which is a bullish pattern on downside. If market makes a bullish pattern, obviously market is gonna follow that pattern, and market will go obviously upside. And exactly market made a low, swing low, so market will take this as a resistance level, where market will reach to upside levels. So it would be our target level, and as per our exterior calculation, this is also our target. So let's see on the chart what market does, and what we're gonna have a target or not. Is this trade is gonna give us stop loss, or is this trade is gonna give us target? So let's see what happens in the market. Okay, just let's be on the trade, be disciplined with your strict rules, strict setups, and just follow the system. Okay, one thing remember, the system wins and human fails. Okay, if you just go with a trade and you think that it may go upside, may go downside, that may not follow the market. Okay, that human fails. You can't predict the market just by thinking that what can happen. You have to um, take decisions on what you see on the chart. Just see, here are my stop loss, this is my target, and I exactly enter over here. Okay, and market is now traded below our entry price. As soon as market exactly breaks this level, market will exactly go upside. That's my guarantee. So mark that point. Okay, so I'm meeting you in few minutes. Let market move, and I'm meeting just few minutes later. Okay, closes this point of area, and it's just going upside direction. So market will face some difficulties over here, and it will show you again a selling signal here, and so many people are about to sell over here. Then again it will collect the stop losses of retail traders. Okay, then if this candle closes above this level, then we are sure that this target is coming very soon. Okay, that market is going upside. I told you at this point, when market make this candle as a bearish candlestick pattern. Okay, then I told you, I guaranteed you that market will go upside, and market is going upside and closing above this level. Just see what happens in the market. This is a bullish pattern over here. You can see a spinning top pattern. Market came downside with a row of 8 candlestick pattern, which we have already learned in your channel. Okay, and let the candle close above this level and see what happens. It's a W pattern making this. Okay, it's a W pattern. As soon as this high breaks, it will just blast over you. Okay, this target is just very less. We can get more big target. Just see over here what happens. We're live now and we're recording this live. Today is 3rd of May 2024, and let's see what happens. It can just consolidate over here 2 to 3 candlestick patterns. This is more if chart this if chart does this now, this is more positive for yours, because if chart makes 2 to 3 positive candlestick over here at this point, then market will blast. If market doesn't that, then market will not do that, but slow and steadily it will go upside. Let's see what happens. It is going upside and it's almost hitting our target. So it's almost done 30%, 40% from our entry level, and it just were here where I told you that market is going upside. Then market is going upside and it's just showing some bearishness here. It's just showing you that it can come down downside, but it won't do that. You just need to follow your system. That system wins and human fails. So just be on the trade. I am meeting you, connecting you sometimes later. Okay, that you can see the speed of the market is going upside. As soon as the market closes above this level, you can see a pump. You can see market will taking support at this level. Okay, you can see it market taking support at on this level if market closes upside of this level. Okay, and then market will hit this target and so on and so forth. Okay, so I will meet you sometimes later, and I will come and explain what more I can explain to you. Okay, just let's see what market can do here. Market reached to this place and it's about to hit the target. As we fixed our target, it should be 120 points, and this is at 128 points, around 130 points you can say. So from this point, it's 120 point is our at least this point. Okay, so market is showing bearishness here. As I said you that market once let break this level, market will take this level as a support, and market will then continue to upside. Okay, then market is going to upside. So this level is our target level. Okay, so let market reach to this level, then we will book our targets and all. So let's see what market does here. Okay, so let's go at this point of time when this candle were a bearish candle, it were about to hit our stop loss. At that point I told you that market will go upside. Okay, then see the speed, see the speed. There two candles were bearish, but these two candle, if market made these two candle at this point of price, I went for exit. Okay, because it was our resistance level. Okay, so below resistance, if these two candles created, then I took a decision to exit from the market, but it made up on this level. So it's already broken and then made this candlestick. Okay, so this was positive sign. This were not negative. This was positive. It's not negative. So let's see, more 10-20 points are pending, so let's wait for that. Okay, so let's here I am drawing this point from this point. It's 120 point. Okay, it's 120 point exact here, or you can take points 130 points also. So let's see, one situation is coming in front of me that here so many candlesticks are bearish. So at this zone, market is showing you bearishness. Okay, so at this point what you need to focus on, this bearish candle is very important. Okay, So if this running candle closes above this candle, then we are good to go for our pending target. If market doesn't do that, if market comes down and breaks the low, then we have to exit exactly here. As soon as market comes down and exactly closes below this candle, market will continue to downside. Okay, because market consolidated here for a few many times for a period of for a couple of minutes, you can say. But if market takes rejection from this zone, so we have to exit here. This is called a situation exit. This is called a panic exit. Okay, but you have to follow this. So you just, if you like this concept, if you like the video, then 100% smash the like button, because that's a great way to say thanks to me, and I will get motivated to make more videos on YouTube. Okay, so let's see what happens. It's consolidating here from a few minutes, so we are stuck in this trade. Now let's see what will market do, what Dow will do to us. Okay, let's consolidate in here, and this level is very important. Now let's broke this level, this high. Now market just broke this high, and let's mark a level over here and take this level over here, and just okay. So if market closes below this level, just be conscious. Okay, just be conscious. Okay, now it's breaking upside. If market breaks this high, then we are confirmed that this target is about to come. If market doesn't do that, we are going to exit at current candle. Okay, so let's see. I am live from this point, so just like the video, guys. Just like the video, smash a like button, smash the like button, and just leave a comment section down below. Okay, just see what market will do. This situation, if market is creating a red candle, it will, if market is coming downside, it will make itself a hammer candle. Just mark my point, market will create this candle, a hammer candle, and break this level. Okay, at least market will make this candle as a hammer candle, and market can make 2 to 3 candles and consolidate over this zone, and then market can break this level. Let's see, market is making as a hammer candle pattern, and market is about to break this level. Okay, now it's breaking of upside. So let's see and think of this pattern. What pattern market just make here? It's bullish engulfing pattern, but we see this pattern on the downside. What we have already taught in previous videos, just link is the in the card, iCard. Just go with the card and just watch that video. Again, market is consolidating here. If this candle closes below this candle, then we will exit. But this pattern will, what shows you that it will go upside. Just see, you guys, what happens. Market closes below this level as we said. Okay, and market now comes down. Market will come down and break this level and again continue to downside, or market will go sideways, or I don't know where it will go. Okay, next time I have to analyze the market, and then I have to say to you, okay, then market came downside and closes below this candle low, and market now it will continue to downside, sideways, and it knows where it will go. Okay, so at this point I told you market will go upside. At this point I am telling you that market will not going upside. So this is called a day trading price action learning. Day trading price action setup strategies I follow by myself. So if you want to learn this, if you want to have experience on this, then comment down below, leave a comment. I'll get something for you, and then you can make money. You can predict like me the Dow and every market, because price action works in every market. So that's it for today from my side, Paul this side. If you really like the video, smash the like button, subscribe the button. Okay, subscribe my channel, and bye. I'll meet you in any other video, any other time, with any other good knowledgeable content.